Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can set time on your Windows machine. So let's get started. So after you log on to your Windows machine, you can just press on the Windows button and like type date, and you would see change date and date and time settings. You can select either of them, and if you want, you can type date, time as well, or if you use Cortana, then you can just say date and time settings and it would open that. So this is one way you can directly navigate to the date and time settings. So one more way is there, and that is through Windows I. If you press there, you can see an option called time and language. If you click on that, you can see date and time settings screen would appear on the left screen. Automatically by default it gets selected. So once you reach the screen, if you wish to set the time, then you can just set this using this thing, or you can use once you click on turn on, automatically when the device is connected to the internet, the time would get synced automatically. So this is one way. If you turn this off, then you can click on change and you can change the time manually. So this is one other way, and the same applies to the time zone as well. So if you turn this off, then the time zone would be selected by will be enabled, so that you can select it manually and change it. If not, you can just click on so that the time zone gets detected automatically. So this is about how to set the time and date in your Windows machine. So there are other options as well to adjust for daylight. I belong to the India. I belong to India, so that's the reason there's no daylight here, and I think that is the reason this option is disabled for me. And there's one more option called show additional calendars in the taskbar. So you can see that in the taskbar we can see the calendars. Here we can see the calendars. So if you wish to set up more calendars, then you can do that through this, as well as you can add some additional calendars if you wish to, and date formats as well can be selected from here. You can select various, like if you want to set the first day of week as Sunday or Monday, you can do that selection, and as well as you can select the date and short date or long date time, which way you want it to get displayed. So all these settings you can do through this section. So to give a summarized view, just click on start button and click on date and time settings, and you would arrive to this screen, and from there you can select any of the options and you can do the settings change automatically. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. There's one more point I wish to add. If you work for a country which is other country apart from yours, generally we do that. So you can do that settings also here. Add clocks for different time zone, so that you can directly navigate to that section here. Otherwise, whenever you click on this, you just see one time here. The moment you add, for example, let me add uh, US Eastern, let's say Pacific time, US and Canada. I'll call it US and I'll click apply. Okay, and you can see when I click this, there's one more timer appearing here. So in the Windows 10 it is appearing like this, but in older Windows we used to get an additional clock, like an analog clock used to get displayed with the time. So you can see now US it is 8:33 p.m. yesterday. So this, like that, you can add one more clock. So if you see, this is our date and time, and these are the additional clocks. So if I add one more thing with Australia, because they are earlier compared to us. Beijing, let me add Beijing. So now you can see I have three clocks totally. What is the time at Beijing, US, and at my place. So this way you can add additional clocks as well through the date and time settings. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any other tech or money related queries, let me know through the comment section. If you have any problem with this part of settings, then let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.